We're good to go? Everybody ready?
About 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. Stopwatch. I can go? Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining us again. This will be our final briefing for the day. I want to say that everybody worked really hard. We had an area of approximately 4 square miles where the weather disturbance went through. River Road, Main Road, Brownswood, and Fickling Hill. Main Road and 17 are open. The roads that are closed, and I would like to encourage people, and please listen, avoid these areas if you do not live in these areas. There are still trees down. There are crews working in the streets. There are power lines that are working with. And when cars pass through there, these people have to work, and it's very dangerous for the workers. So, closed right now, River Road, Brownswood Road to Main, Fickling Hill, Sassy Road to Brownswood Road, Sunny Boy Lane's completely closed, Old Pond Road, Brownswood to California. So please stay out of these areas. Let these people get their job done. Let them do it safely. They're working very diligently and very hard. And to give you an example of that, Berkeley Electric originally, when they went out there were 4,000 people without power. They have 160 people working. They're going to work throughout the night. And right now, 75% of the people in that area have their power back. So that just gives you an idea how hard these folks are working out there for you. So try to stay clear of the area if you do not live in the area. The Red Cross, they have assisted 4 households, approximately 12 people, and we have people that continue to trickle in, and we hope we can help more of those people out. We could not have done this without the South Carolina Department of Transportation, Berkeley Electric, and support from Charleston County, especially the Public Works. They're working very hard along with these other entities to get this area cleared up and safe for the residents. Ms. Anna Johnson?
Good afternoon. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of the governmental entities and private partners that help us with this quick response. It was so great to see all of the governmental entities working together, such as SCDOT and Charleston County. Certainly, St. John's Fire Department, Chief Waltz and her staff. And I want to also say that we did not have anyone injured that I know of. Everyone is safe, and that is a great relief. Going through the area reminded me of Hugo, and I thought, wow, how did anybody make it through? But you know, God is good, and this was an opportunity for us to learn now from what could happen on Johns Island. We need to get our infrastructure finished on Johns Island, mainly I-526, so that we can have other routes for the residents on Johns Island to be able to evacuate. So we need to do the right things for the residents of Johns Island. Also want to thank the National Weather Service for the alert, because as I talked to some of the residents, they were up when the alert came and they responded. And that's what saved some people. They were able to right away go out and take some kind of protective measure after that alert went off. So guys, always keep your phone on the alert. When you go to bed, put your cell phone right by your nightstand so that if there's anything that comes up, you'll get that wake-up call. Again, let's all try to make Johns Island a better place by having more access or more roads that we can be able to get off of Johns Island. And that's mainly the completion of I-526. I heard that a lot today. Thank you so much. Any questions?
Yeah, any questions?
Other than the portion of 526, are there any other takeaways that you guys have in terms of the response or the needs in this community?
The needs, other than the roads and taking care of our drainage. Of course, we had another disaster earlier with Main Road and Highway 17, and so that is something also that the county is working on. Johns Island, we need the infrastructure finished. And so not just the I-526, but yes, the flyover is one other means of that needs to be completed. But we need to find the money. And I understand that it's about $60 million, so we can get our state representatives to help us with that project. That would be a great thing. The super street, as you know, is also another infrastructure that we're trying to complete as far as making a roundabout on Highway 17. And if this is going to be a measure that's going to allow a few more residents to be safe, a few more, less cars having to come through that intersection and probably have an accident, then my thing is we need all three. Now, we need to find the money, obviously. So if the state could help us out, and I think, 17 and Main Road, they're both state roads. And so just want to make sure we can get the help from our representatives to get the funding for those projects.
Chief, any length of time on when the roads will open again?
The roads will be closed indefinitely, so it helps provide a safer work environment for Berkeley Electric and the Department of Transportation and the Charleston County personnel working there to clear those roads. We don't want to give an estimate because if we don't meet that time frame, it frustrates people. So as soon as the roads are opened up, we'll send something out saying what roads are opened up.
Any idea how many homes were damaged? Do you have a number at this time?
Not an exact number this time. We do know that Sunny Boy Lane sustained, those homes there sustained a lot of damage at about 10 homes. We don't have an exact count yet. We're continuously surveying the area to make sure we're getting accurate numbers. As soon as we get that, we'll get that out to you.
Okay, and what's the hardest part of this process besides the cleanup and getting the roads clear? So
well, the hardest part for us is seeing the people go through what they're going through. Some people, I mean, they've lost things that can't be replaced. So that's the hardest part for us. The good thing about it is nobody got hurt, and again, the alerts that were sent out gave people the opportunity to take cover. Apparently, the people are listening to the Charleston County Emergency Management Division and practicing what they're putting out there. Take cover and be prepared, and that's exactly what they did. And so they basically saved themselves. Anything else? We don't, but Berkeley Electric, you want to comment on that?
Yeah, we're working through the night. So like you said, we have 160 people. We're sending half of them home tonight at 10 o'clock. The other half are going to work through the night. The ones that get to sleep tonight will come in tomorrow and will be fresh. And we are hoping that by tomorrow night, we will have the majority of the power turned back on.
Who else are you guys working with? I saw Sumter was here.
Sumter Utilities here. Lucas is here. We have 4 districts, and so we were able to mobilize and bring crews from all 3 of our other districts, Goose Creek, Allendale, and Moncks Corner, to Johns Island to help. The irony of it is there's really no more room on the roads. So even if we had other companies that wanted to come help us, we have all the work we need, or all the workers we need, because of it's a 2-mile radius is what we're working in. So 160 men is enough men to do the job. At this point, it's just a matter of getting the rest of them done.
And is there any safety or precautionary measures? Obviously, stay off the roads if you don't live in those neighborhoods, but a lot of people it's neighbors helping neighbors chop down and bring things out in the street. Is there anything that you want to warn people about?
Well, the first thing, there's a lot of chainsaw use going on, so people need to take precaution with chainsaws, make sure they're well maintained, and wear the proper protective gear, because so far we haven't had any injuries, and we want to keep it that way. Now, people that live in these homes that have been damaged, they need to make sure they have been properly assessed. So if power comes back on, they don't have items that are on that could cause a fire, so the best thing to do is to have them to shut down all the breakers or have a qualified electrician come in and evaluate everything before they turn everything back on. Get qualified people to come out there and look at the plumbing, the electricity, and things like that before you actually turn anything on. Anything else?
Great job last night.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
All right, thank you.